the circus for circus, the world's famous show on the face of the earth, or wherever you go.
A circus? I love a show. I think I'll go.
Why, Mazie, it's Horton. Remember? It's me. I've sat on your egg now for 51 weeks. I've sat here while people have paid to take peeks. I've sat here through lightning and hailstones and snow. Won't you take back your egg?